Hello guys, map lovers, map enthusiasts, you're welcome back to Map Instinct. This is the channel where you think it and you map it. So I'd like you all to subscribe to our channel and also like our channel so that you'll be notified when we drop any other content. Alright, today we'll be looking at Inset Map. Remember in our last video where we talked about map elements and then we showed you how to insert map elements in your map. Today we'll be looking at map inset or Inset Map. Some of you may be calling it locator map. Let's have a recap of what we taught in the last class or in the last video. If you want to include your map inset, you can also go to insert and then select data frame. It will create a new data frame which will be added to your map layer. Creating an inset map will be taught in our next video. Alright, welcome back. So let's head over to the map. So this is our map that was produced in the last video. Remember, we are dealing with map inset. We are creating an inset map. What is an inset map? An inset map is a smaller map that is featured on the main map body. It is featured on the same page as the main map and they are shown at larger scales, which means they have smaller areas than the main map, and they're often used as locator map that shows the area of the main map in a broader and more geographical frame of reference. So we've already created the frame for our inset map. I'll just delete this so that we can start all over. Alright, if you want to create your inset map, you need to head over to your insert menu, if you remember that. But before we do that, make sure you have an external mouse that you're working with. Don't work with your inbuilt mouse so that you can be more flexible and then you will not be slow. Head over to your insert map, click on the first button, which is called data frame. Once you click on that, it creates a new data frame on your table of content. So this is your new data frame, and then it's also highlighted or shown in your map environment. Remember, this is your map environment, this is your layout view. So you can click on it and then drag it out so that you can work on it separately. So I can adjust this the way I want. Remember, it is a smaller map that is featured on the same page as the main map body or as the main map. The size of your inset map is not expected to be bigger than the main map. So this is our inset map that we're trying to create. This is Plateau State. Our main map body is Plateau State. And then Plateau State is one of the 36 states in Nigeria. So which means that our inset map will be showing all the states in Nigeria, highlighting Plateau State. So how do we get Nigeria into this frame? We need to add it to this table of content as a layer under the new data frame. Let's just rename this data frame as Nigeria. So you just click on it once and then click on it the second time. And then you can delete this and rename it, say Nigeria. That's good. So now we're going to add Nigerian shapefile to this frame. So I'll head over to my working folder. Remember, this is my working folder. Head over to shapefiles. So I'm going to drag this shapefile, Nigeria shapefile, into the data frame. So this is it. So you can see that this is now showing a smaller map. So now we're going to highlight Plateau State within Nigeria. I'll just show you a shortcut on how to do this. You can see this select features tool. You can click on it and then zoom in to Plateau State. Remember, the Plateau State is our main map body. So I can just select it. Once I've selected this, I can head over to the Nigeria shapefile layer. Right click on it and then head over to selection and then create layer from selected features. I'll just click on this and then it just creates a quick shapefile layer of Plateau State. So once I uncheck this, you can see that Plateau State is already selected. But you can see this green highlight on Plateau State. I'll need to remove this. I'll just head over to this symbol or this tool which says clear selected features. Click on it and that disappears. So we're good. I can rename this layer and call it Plateau State. I'll just click on it once and click on it the second time. Plateau State. So we are good. Let me rename this quickly. Nigeria. I don't want Nigerian shapefiles to be in color. I would like to make them hollow. I'll just click on this symbol here and then select hollow and say OK. And then Plateau State, I want it to be depicted clearly. Click on this symbol and then select the color you want, or you right click on this symbol and then select the color that you want. I like this color. This is good. You can also label the other states. You can right click on Nigeria and then click on label features. So you can see all the states are labeled. Alright, I think we are good. The inset map is ready. I can now put it into the main page and then readjust the placement of all the map elements. Okay. Just make your adjustments where necessary. There's one other thing I can do. I can insert some arrows to project Plateau State from this inset map. I'll just head over to the draw toolbar, which is this, and click on this symbol, select new line, and then head over to Plateau State. Just click, left click, and then I can drag this and place it here. Note that this is optional. So I head over here again, click on this line, once you're satisfied, double click. So that is good. You can still make further edits. Double click on each of the symbol, line symbol, and then change the symbol. I want the arrow at the end. Say OK. Apply. So you can see this, the arrow here. So it's projecting Plateau State from here to here. Do the same with this. Change symbol, arrow at end, apply, say OK. So we have this. Okay, there's one more thing. You need to include the title for your inset map. We need to include the title. So you just head over to your insert title. Okay, this is it. Just double click and then name it Nigeria. Then you say apply. Say OK. This is big or this is large. We need to reduce the size. Let's give it 14 or 16. I think 16 is good. Or you can also make it bold. This is good. You can also include other elements on this inset map. You can include the north arrow, you can include the scale. That is up to you. So this is how to create a simple inset map. So you can always do this in your work. If you're working on a study area map, you can just create an inset map to show you on a global scale where you're coming from down to the local scale, so that people or map users can identify with your work and know what you are producing. Alright, before we go, we would like to export this map that we've produced. Click on Export Map. Map Inset. So I like all these formats, JPEG, and then the 400 dpi resolution. This looks good. So you can leave this, click on Save, and then wait for it to export. Remember to save your work, so you click on Save so that you not lose any of your created maps. You can now head over to your working folder and locate the map. So you double click on it, and here you have it, your inset map. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified whenever we drop any content. See you guys in the next video. Remember, map instinct, you think it and you map it.